Hello students, today we are going to study 6th lesson triangles exercise 6.2. 8th question, using theorem 6.2, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Given a triangle ABC in which D and E are midpoints of AB and AC. To prove DE parallel to BC. Proof, we have AD equal to DB, reason given, isn't it? Similarly, AE equal to EC. For both these, reason given. We have given that D and E are midpoints. From this one we get AD equal to DB means AD by DB equal to 1. AE equal to EC gives AE by EC equal to 1. Number these equations as 1 and 2 respectively. Okay. Now from 1 and 2, since RHS are equal, LHS should also be equal. Therefore from 1 and 2 we get AD by DB equal to AE divided by EC. That is, in triangle ABC, we have ratios are equal. That is, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Hence, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, that is theorem 6.2, we get DE parallel to BC. Theorem 6.2 means it is converse of basic proportionality theorem. That is, if the ratios are equal, then the lines are parallel, isn't it? So, we get AD by DB equal to AE by EC. That implies in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, reason by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Okay. Ninth question, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at a point O. Show that AO by CO equal to AO by BO equal to CO by DO. That is, we have given a trapezium ABCD in which AB parallel to DC, diagonals AC and BD intersects at O. We have to prove that AO by OB equal to CO by OD. And there is a construction. Through O, draw PO parallel to AB. Okay. Through O, draw PO parallel to AB. Proof. PO parallel to AB, reason by construction. Isn't it? By construction we have PO parallel to AB. But DC is parallel to AB, reason given. It is given that BC and AB are parallel sides. DC parallel to AB. From these two we get PO parallel to DC. Reason, the lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other, isn't it? The lines that are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Using that property, we get PO parallel to DC. Okay. Now, first take triangle DAB. In triangle DAB, we have PO parallel to AB. In triangle DAB, since PO parallel to AB, we get DP by AP equal to DO by BO. DP by AP equal to DO divided by BO. Reason, basic proportionality theorem. Number this one as first equation. Okay. Second, take triangle. In triangle DAC. In triangle DAC, we have, since we proved that PO is parallel to DC. We get AP by DP equal to OA by OC. Okay, PA by PD equal to OA by OC. AP by DP equal to OA divided by OC. Same reason, basic proportionality theorem. Number this one as second. No, this is not second equation. Now taking reciprocal, we get DP divided by AP. DP by AP equal to OC divided by OA. Number this one as second equation. Okay. Now from these two we get, since LHS are equal, RHS are also equal, that is DO by BO equal to OC by OA. Now taking OA to LHS and OD to RHS, we get OA divided by, from this one we get OA by OB equal to OC by OD, and that we have to prove. Okay, OA by OB equal to OC by OD. Once again, proof. First step, PO parallel to AB, reason by construction, but AB is parallel to DC given. Therefore, we get PO is parallel to DC. Reason, the lines that are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Okay. Then take triangle DAB. In triangle DAB, since PO parallel to AB, we get DP by AP equal to DO by BO. Number it as first equation. There is a basic proportionality theorem. Then take triangle DAC. We have PO parallel to DC. Reason by we proved that PO parallel to DC, isn't it? Therefore, we get AP by DP equal to OA by OC. Now take the reciprocal. Then we get DP by AP equal to OC by OA. Okay, by taking reciprocal, we get DP by AP equal to OC by OA. Now from equations 1 and 2, since LHS are equal, RHS should also be equal. Therefore, we get OD by DO by BO equal to OC by OA. But taking OA to LHS and OD to RHS, we get OA by OB equal to OC by OD, and that we have to prove. Hence, proved. Okay, hence proved. 10th question. The diagonals of quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. Given a quadrilateral ABCD in which diagonals AC and BD intersects at O such that AO by OB equal to CO by DO, and we have to prove that quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. To prove it is a trapezium, we have to prove that a pair of opposite sides are parallel. Okay, if in a quadrilateral a pair of opposite sides are parallel, then it is a trapezium. Now construction is there. Draw construction. Draw PO parallel to AB. Okay, through O, draw PO parallel to AB. That is the construction. Proof. We have in triangle DAB, PO is parallel to AB. Reason, by construction, isn't it? By construction, PO is parallel to AB. Therefore, we get DP by AP equal to DO divided by OB. Okay, DP by AP equal to DO by AB. Reason, by basic proportionality theorem. By BPT, we get DP by AP equal to DO by AB. Now, but we have given that, or from this one we get, by taking reciprocal, we can write AP divided by DP equal to OB divided by DO. But we have given that OA by OB equal to OC by OD. Reason given. This is given. Okay. Now number this one as 1. Now taking OC to LHS and OB to RHS, we get OA by OC equal to, interchanging the position, OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Number this equation as 2. Now from 1 and 2 we get 1 and 2 we get OA by OC say, OB by OD is same, isn't it? RHS are same, therefore we get LHS are equal, that is AP by DP equal to AP by DP equal to AP by DP equals OA by OC. OA divided by OC. Now in triangle DAC, we proved that AP by DP equal to OA by OC. Therefore, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, we get PO parallel to DC. Okay, that is in triangle. Therefore, in triangle ADC, we proved that AP by DP equal to AO by OC. Therefore, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, PO parallel to DC. We get PO parallel to DC. Reason, by converse of basic proportionality theorem. If the ratios are equal, then the lines are parallel. Now from the, but we proved that PO is, it is not proved, PO is parallel to AB. Reason, by construction, but PO parallel AB by construction. Okay, by construction PO is parallel to AB. That implies PO parallel to DC and PO parallel to AB means AB is parallel to DC. Reason, the lines that are parallel to the same line, are parallel to each other. Okay, using that property we get AB is parallel to DC. That is, a pair of opposite sides are parallel, isn't it? That is, a pair of opposite sides are parallel. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium, and that's the proof. Now once again, proof. In triangle DAB, since PO is parallel to AB, reason by construction PO is parallel to AB, we get DP by AP equal to DO by OB. Taking reciprocal, we get AP by DP equal to BO by OD. But we have given that OD by OB equal to OC by OD. Okay. Now interchanging the positions, OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Now in equations 1 and 2, RHS are equal, LHS are also equal. That implies AP by DP equal to OA by OC. That is, in triangle DAC, we proved that AP by DP equal to OA by OC. Hence, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, PO parallel to DC. But by construction, PO is parallel to AB, isn't it? Therefore, we get AB is parallel to DC. The lines that are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. That is, in quadrilateral ABCD, a pair of opposite sides are parallel. Therefore, we get quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium, and that we have to prove. Okay. Thank you.